Hi, my dear student. This video is about changing improper fraction to mixed number. Let us recall what an improper fraction is and what a mixed number is. So an improper fraction, if you will recall, is a fraction whose numerator is bigger than the denominator. So for example, we have 5 over 4. So the numerator is the one written on top, and the denominator is the one written at the bottom. And as you can see, 5 is greater than 4, right? Therefore, this fraction is an improper fraction. Again, an improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator. Now, what is a mixed number? A mixed number is composed of a whole number and a fraction. So for example, we have 4 and 1/4. 4 here is the whole number, while 1/4 is the fraction. So again, a mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. Now in this video, you will learn how to express an improper fraction into a mixed number and a mixed number to an improper fraction. The reason why this lesson is important is because when you do fraction operations on fractions, this will help you in solving for the product. So let's start first with expressing improper fractions to mixed number. Let's have the example 14 over 8. So our direction is to express in mixed numbers. So in order for us to express an improper fraction to a mixed number, the step is to divide the numerator by the denominator. So I'll just use a red pen to indicate our solution. So for us to express 14 over 8 to a mixed number, we have to divide the numerator 14 by the denominator 8. So if you're doing division, the one written on top is the one inside the box, the division box. So 14 divided by 8. Now, how many 8s are there in 14? So there's only 1. So 1 times 8 is 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now, there's no number next to 4 anymore. That's why what we will do is the answer on top would be the whole number of the mixed number. The remainder 6 is the numerator of the fraction, and 8 will be the denominator of the fraction. Hence, our answer will be 14 over 8 in mixed fraction is equal to the whole number 1, the numerator 6, which is the remainder in the division, over the denominator 8. Again, whatever answer you placed on top of the division box, that will be your whole number. The remainder will be the numerator, and the number that we use for division, or just is the same as the denominator, will still be the denominator of the fraction. So this is now our mixed fraction form of 14 over 8. Let us try another example. Let us have 25 over 4. So again, in order for us to express an improper fraction to mixed number, we need to divide the numerator by the denominator. So in this case, we need to divide 25 by 24. Now, how many 4s are there in 25? So we do skip counting. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So we'll go with 24 and that is 6. So I will put 6 here on top of 5. So 6 times 4 is 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. No more number on the right. Therefore, this will now be the answer on top would be my whole number. The remainder will be my numerator. And the one that we use for division or the divisor would be the denominator. Hence, our answer is 25 over 4 is equal to 6 and 1 over 4. I hope you're getting it now. Let's try another one. Last example before you practice on your own. 16 over 9. 16 over 9. So again, in order for us to express this in mixed number, we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. So 16 divided by 9. How many 9s are there in 16? We only have 1, right? So 1 times 9 is 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. You are right. So no more number on the right of 6. Therefore, we can now write the mixed number form. Again, the answer on top is the whole number. The remainder is the numerator. And the divisor is the denominator. Therefore, 16 over 9 is equal to 1, the whole number, 7, the numerator, over 9, the denominator. So I hope that you understood how to convert or how to transform an improper fraction to a mixed number. So why don't you try it on your own? Let's practice. Let's have 30 over 3, 42 over 3, and how about the last question, number 3, 17 over 5. So I want you to pause this video so that you can answer it on your own using a sheet of paper or in your notebook. And then once you're done, you can press the play button again so that you can check if your answer is correct. Now, if you want to go back to the start of this video, you can do that. Just move or rewind the video so that you can start at the beginning. So for now, kindly press the play button or the pause button so that you can start working on your own. Okay, so let's check if your answers are correct. I will use the red pen for the solution. So again, what is the technique in converting or expressing improper fraction to mixed number? We divide the numerator by the denominator. So we will have 30 divided by 3. So in this case, I can divide 3 divided by 3. That is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. I'll bring down 0. 0 divided by 3 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. As you can see here, there's no more number to the right of 0. So I will stop. And we have a 0 remainder here and a whole number. So again, this is our whole number. This is the numerator. This is the denominator. So we will have 10 and 0 over 3. But what is 0 divided by 3? Yes, you're right. The answer is 0. Therefore, We will no longer need to write 0 over 3. Let's just cancel that. And your answer will just be 10. Because 30 divided by 3 is simply 10. Now you'll be asking, Miss Tanya, that's not a mixed number because that is just a whole number and then there's no fraction. So remember, there is a fraction part of this and that is actually 1 or 0. That's why we did not write it anymore. It's just 10. Okay? Next, let's do 42 over 3. So that is 42 divided by 3. Again, we can divide 4 by 3. So there is 1, 3, and 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Bring down 2. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. This is like the first example or the first practice exercise. The denominator is 0. Therefore, all we need to do is to just write the whole number. And the answer is 40. Now let's try the third example, the third practice exercise rather. So 17 divided by 5. And we have 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 17 minus 15 is 2. There's no number at the right of 7, so we need to stop. Therefore, our numbers will be 3 as the whole number, 2 as the numerator, and 5 as the denominator. So our answer will be 3 as the whole number, 2 as the numerator, and 5 as the denominator. So I hope you were able to get the answer correctly. I hope you understood how to express improper fraction to mixed number.